Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the help center in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find the profile option. Press on it. Now you have to scroll down a little bit. I have already done that, and under the support category you will see the first option, which is visit the help center. Press on it, and here you can see basically information about anything that you want. You can see, for example, how cancellations work. Just press on it and it will take you to an entirely different page with that will answer basically in great detail the problematic topic that you want to seek, and you can read all about it, and more than likely you're going to find your answer here. Also you can find other categories here, just like help about hosting or experience host or travel admin. There's a lot of stuff that you can find here. Like in this help center you're more than likely going to find what you're looking for. So yeah, anyway, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.